Shalom, shalom to the people of God. So, I have a quick message for you. So, what do you do when you're stressing, you got all these problems, you got all these situations happening, and you don't know what to do about it? What most people do, and what I used to do, is worry about it and try to figure out how I was going to get out of it. But God gave me the way out. Here's what you do instead. If you have a prayer language, if you have a holy language, pray in that language. That's what God gave us as our way of escape out of problems, out of worry, out of doubt, out of fear. Use your holy language. Pray in the Spirit. I'm talking 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. If you have to pray for longer till you feel released, keep praying until you feel it. You will get released from what you're feeling, from anxiety, from depression, from doubt, from fear. You will feel a release. Keep praying until something breaks. If you don't have a holy language, just pray regular. Just pray the way that God has given you, but keep praying throughout the day. You're brushing your teeth, pray. You in the shower, keep praying. You eating your food, pray while you're eating. Keep praying all through the day. You're on the job, you're with the kids, you're with your family. Keep praying the whole entire day until you feel something break. This works. I'm telling you, do it, try it, it works. You will feel the difference. You will feel a release. This is what God has given us as children of God. He's given us a spirit of faith. We don't have fear. Fear comes from the enemy. So if you're feeling fear, that's a spirit that came from the enemy that the enemy tried to force on you. The way you break out of it is you have to be in faith. You have to replace that spirit with something else. So faith can replace fear. So keep praying in the Spirit. Pray in tongues. Pray in the Holy Ghost. Pray in the Spirit until something breaks. Shalom. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Be blessed.